Hello techies. Today I'm excited to introduce you one of the most powerful and rapidly growing AI technologies in the world, that is Claude AI. Claude AI is an advanced artificial intelligence assistant developed by Anthropic, a company focused on building safe, reliable, and human-friendly AI systems. Claude is designed to help people think, create, analyze, automate tasks, and solve problems using natural language conversations. The name Claude was inspired by Claude Shannon, who is considered the father of the information theory. Just like how the internet transformed communication, AI assistants like Claude are transforming how humans interact with the technology. So, what exactly is Claude AI? Claude is a conversational AI model similar to chat-based assistants, but it is especially known for its strong reasoning abilities, large context understanding, coding support, document analysis, and focus on AI safety. It can understand human language, answer questions, summarize content, generate code, write articles, create business documents, and even help with research and decision making. One of the biggest strengths of Claude AI is its ability to process very large amounts of information at once. For an example, user can upload long documents, PDFs, reports, meeting transcripts, or even books, and Claude can summarize or analyze them quickly. This makes it extremely useful for businesses, students, researchers, developers, and content creators. Now, let's talk about some of the major features of Claude AI. First, natural conversations. Claude is designed to communicate in a very human-like and friendly way. Users can ask questions in simple language without needing technical commands. Whether someone wants help in writing an email, preparing a presentation, learning programming, or brainstorming ideas, Claude can assist naturally. Second one, content generation. Claude can create blogs, reports, social media posts, scripts, business proposals, training materials, and marketing content within seconds. Many professionals use it to improve productivity and save time. Third one, coding and technical support. Developers use Claude to generate code, explain programming concepts, debug errors, optimize scripts, and even build applications faster. It supports multiple programming languages including Python, JavaScript, SQL, C Sharp, and many more. Fourth one is document analysis. This is one of the most powerful Claude capabilities. It can analyze large files and provide summaries, insights, action items, comparisons, and recommendations. Companies use this for contract reviews, research analysis, and knowledge management. Fifth one, AI safety and ethics. Unlike many AI systems that focus only on performance, Anthropic places strong emphasis on responsible AI development. Claude is designed to avoid harmful outputs, reduce misinformation, and provide safer interactions for users. Now, let's discuss where Claude AI is used in the real world. In education, students use Claude for learning concepts, preparing notes, practicing coding, and improving writing skills. In business, organizations use it for customer support, automation, documentation, data analysis, and internal knowledge assistance. In software development, engineers use Claude to speed up coding and troubleshooting. In content creation, marketers and creators use it for writing articles, video scripts, captions, and creative ideas. In research, professionals use Claude to analyze large data sets and technical documents efficiently. One interesting aspect of Claude AI is how it supports productivity. Instead of spending hours searching through the documents or writing repetitive content, user can interact with Claude conversationally and get results instantly. This saves time and allows people to focus on creativity and decision making. Now you may wonder, is Claude AI is going to replace humans? The answer is no. AI is designed to assist humans, not replace human intelligence completely. Claude works best when humans provide guidance, creativity, and critical thinking. It acts as a smart assistant that helps improve efficiency and accuracy. However, like any technology, artificial intelligence should be used responsibly. Users should verify important information, avoid over dependence, and ensure ethical usage of AI generated content. Looking toward the future, AI assistants like Claude are expected to become deeply integrated into education, healthcare, business operations, software engineering, and daily life. As AI continues evolving, learning how to work alongside AI tools will become an essential skill for professionals across industry. Cloud AI represents a major advancement in artificial intelligence. With its strong reason abilities, natural communication, document analysis, coding support, and focus on safety, it is helping individuals and organizations work smarter and faster. The future of AI is not just about machines becoming intelligent. It is about humans and AI collaborating together to achieve greater innovations and productivity.